let me invite you to the last presentation of the first block, which is practical as well. The name of the project is Pipedoc, and they will tell us about something about pipeline. Stage is yours.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself and my colleague. I am Eva. This is Honza.
And it is our pleasure to introduce you our Pipeline Doctor, or Pipedoc in short, a tool that has been tested and subsequently implemented at Siemens. What is Pipedoc? Pipedoc is our way of stepping towards a healthy sales pipeline.
Today, we live in a very fast-paced world. We are facing problems with supply chains or growing or worldwide pandemic, as well as growing inflation, all of which bring instability into the global economy. This is why knowing your own business and customers is a necessity. And this also makes precise planning very essential. For predictions, companies all around the world started gathering all kinds of data. But just having the data is not enough. For precise planning, the quality of the data is much more important.
Inadequate data management can lead to a variety of problems. For example, having incomplete information may result in missed business opportunities. Low data quality also leads to poor resource management. On the other hand, with high data quality, companies can accurately predict sales, production, and human resources, whether that be by a person or artificial intelligence. According to the surveys conducted by Forbes, Microsoft with Info, and Harvard Business Review, most companies are either not aware of or struggling with low data quality. They also feel it affects their company negatively and that the issue needs to be resolved. Yesterday, we were deciding whether to use an enterprise information system or not. Today, we're solving the data quality, and tomorrow, we'll be using AI to predict the future of our business.
Let's have a look at how faulty data is generated in the first place. Part of a sales representative's job is to record opportunities into the CRM system. Opportunity, put simply, is a potential business deal. These opportunities go into a so-called sales pipeline, where they travel through various stages, from development to preparation to negotiation, and finally they are closed as won or lost. As these opportunities evolve in time, the sales representative is responsible for keeping them up to date. However, when the sales representatives aren't properly trained or accustomed to using the CRM systems, many things can go wrong. For example, they enter the data into the system late or not at all, or they insufficiently update the opportunity stages, or they often shift the opportunities in time. All of these generate unhealthy opportunities and affect the pipeline's health, which shows inadequate pipeline culture.
Here we have Alex, our sales director at Siemens. Alex ensures that the sales representatives enter, generate, and update opportunities in the CRM system. If the data quality is insufficient, Alex should be the first one to find out. However, that is not the only task Alex is responsible for. As you can see, Alex innovates and creates strategies. They also solve problems and collaborate with others. Unfortunately, they only allow 7% of their time for developing people and engaging with stakeholders. Instead, they spend 54% of their time for administration and control. If we reduce that number, Alex could allocate more time into developing their sales team, into coaching their sales team and developing business strategies.
So how can we reduce that time spent on administration and control? By quickly detecting the unhealthy opportunities and improving the data quality. So maybe now you think there has to be some way to monitor the data quality in the CRM system, or surely there are tools that allow for checking the pipeline effectively. However, native tools built in the CRM systems don't offer these insights that easily. So that's why we came up with a unique solution. Pipedoc. We will now tell you how it works and why it is better than conventional ways of checking your sales pipeline directly in the CRM. So Pipedoc is here to solve problems that Alex, our sales director, is facing. These include inability to see the changes in the pipeline over time, missing identification of unhealthy opportunities, not a detailed view of individual opportunities, and lots of administrative work with preparation for one-to-one sales reviews, as well as difficult sales prediction. And this is the solution that addresses Alex's problems. Pipedoc consists of a family of products. It's Delta, Health, Coach, and Predix. We will now describe them one by one. This is Delta. Delta shows us how the pipeline changes compared to a previous point in time. This view is especially important for the sales director when they have the one-to-one sales reviews with their representatives. It also helps with tracking the pipeline's velocity.
Health displays the pipeline's health, the ratio of healthy and unhealthy opportunities, which is also shown in the overall health index at the top, in the corner. It also displays a detailed value of unhealthy opportunities at the top.
Coach, on the other hand, is all about the sales representatives. It shows their performance and areas where it can be improved. Thus, it helps Alex to coach them, as the name suggests. It shows them how the people work with the system, what they put into the system, and whether it is faulty or not. Coach is the first step towards improving pipeline culture.
Predix is a time series machine learning model that predicts the future sales of the company, which enables easy budgeting. It displays values for the entire company, as well as individual business units.
How does it work technically? First, we load the data from enterprise systems and store it in a MySQL database. Then, we perform the necessary data transformations in Python, DAX, or M. Then we use the transform data to build a prediction model. We are using Profit, which is an open source model developed by Meta. Lastly, we take all the results and visualize them in Power BI.
Our solution aids with discovering and improving data quality, aids with discovering unhealthy opportunities and improving data quality in the CRM system. With improved data quality, companies can create accurate forecasts, and thanks to the identification of unhealthy opportunities, Alex can better coach their salespeople and achieve their sales targets. Pipedoc can be easily implemented into any sales company, unlike changing the CRM system. This is especially beneficial for corporate companies, where the structure is rigid, and any change to the core system involves a lengthy approval process. At Siemens, any change to their current core CRM system requires approval of the parent company, and the request evaluation can cost up to 10,000 euros. Also, this request does not guarantee that the change will be implemented.
To summarize, why Pipedoc? Pipedoc offers view of changes in the pipeline compared to a previous point in time. Pipedoc detects unhealthy opportunities and improves the pipeline culture. Pipedoc offers summarized data for Alex to easily prepare for his one-to-one sales reviews. Improved data quality allows for accurate predictions, and Pipedoc offers an automated machine learning sales prediction. The risk of Pipedoc, as of any other IT service, is that it could be adopted incorrectly at the company. So this is why Pipedoc is here to start a journey towards a better pipeline culture by not only offering the service itself, but also helping with the adoption cycle.
As we have mentioned at the beginning, Pipedoc is currently running at Siemens. Thanks to our solution, Siemens has been able to identify that 10.9% of all opportunities were unhealthy. Pipedoc's primary focus has always been to save time to those who have the least of it, senior management. Taking into equation the 5 sales directors at Siemens, we expect to save them approximately 80 hours a month on administrative work, which translates to around 58,000 Czech crowns, and an additional 12 million Czech crowns in potential sales opportunities. As my colleague has stated, the adoption cycle will be crucial for Pipedoc's success, for Siemens' success. That's why we expect the adoption cycle to take around 4 to 5 months.
Pipedoc is the best solution for healing your sales pipeline and ensuring your business will run smoothly. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much. I have a question. You said you already work with Siemens. It's implemented already there. Do they use it already, or are you waiting for this 4 or 5 months cycle?
Right now, we are piloting this project at Siemens, which they already have access to and are using or learning how to use it.
Okay, thank you. And what's so unique about your system? Even I understood everything. I know there is a lot of similar solutions. So what's unique about yours?
Right, so Pipedoc is flexible, as we have mentioned, because usually these solutions that you mentioned are only meant for a specific CRM system like Salesforce or SAP and so on. So Pipedoc can be implemented into any CRM system, and also Pipedoc is directed, as you saw, at the health of the pipeline. So all of these other products are usually offering complex insights, but if you don't have quality data, just seeing how data is not quality will not help you. So you need to improve the health and help to improve the pipeline culture, as we have said.
Okay, so I wish you good luck because I'm from the business, so I know how difficult these things are, so good luck.
Thank you.
Questions, okay?
May I ask, what is the coaching exactly based on? What are the variables that you are focusing on?
Right now, we are looking at soft KPIs that we are measuring over the opportunities. Like, is the opportunity correctly in the CRM? Like, is it fully described? Or is the opportunity right now for too long in the system? Is it being shifted in time quite often? Or even we discovered opportunities that should have been closed but are still in the system in some kind of running state. So we are offering the sales director to see these opportunities even in detail and measure the sales representative health index.
May I ask, so it is not focused on how they perform the sales, but rather how they use the system?
No, it's not fully focused on how they do the sales. It's more about how they are using the CRM system.
Yes,
because we need quality data in first place to be there for any reasonable budgeting or forecasting for the company, since they are using this system.
Okay, thank you.